quiet love could wash away the storms I had, but I feel safe in your arms, like that.
Okay, I have to ask, what's it like being an AI singer? You're asking me? You're literally also AI. Fair point, but I made you using Dzine, so I feel like I win. Then show our viewers how you did it.
This is exactly what we're going to do. And by the way, the entire podcast setup you just watched is also made in Dzine. But today, we're focused on the music video, and specifically the lip sync feature, a full AI music video with multiple scenes, different camera angles, emotional expressions, and a lip sync so good it'll make you question what's real. If you enjoy AI content like this, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. It really does help. And stick around until the end. I'll be showing you the full music video so you can see exactly how everything comes together. I already have my song ready, so I won't be covering music creation in this video. If you'd like a tutorial on that, or how I created the podcast intro, let me know in the comments. Everything starts with your character. This is my AI singer. I won't be covering how I created this base image because, honestly, everyone's going to want a different character, maybe a version of yourself, maybe a completely original AI persona. I'll leave that part to you. What matters is that you have a clean, well-lit reference image of your character. Keep it simple. Neutral background, good lighting, and facing forward to capture their look. One quick tip. Use medium shots for any scene you plan to lip sync. The further away your character is, the harder it is to detect and animate the face accurately. Now, let's head over to Dzine. You'll find the link in the description so you can follow along. When you first log in, this is what you'll see. On the left sidebar, you have your main navigation, Home, Projects, and AI Tools, which is where you'll find everything from image to lip sync to image to video and more. In the center of the homepage, you'll see the quick access buttons for AI Image, AI Video, and Motion Control, along with your recent projects below. And when you scroll down, you'll find the Popular Tools section. This gives you a visual overview of some of the tools available, and as you can see, there's quite a lot to work with. For this tutorial, we'll mainly be working with image to image, AI video, and lip sync. Now that I have my base character image, I want to place her in different scenes for the music video. I'm going to start by creating a new project to keep everything organized. Click on New Project. Select a 16:9 aspect ratio since we're creating for YouTube. Give the project a name and click Apply. Once it opens, you'll see AI Image is highlighted by default. I'm going to drag and drop my base image into the image upload box and paste my prompt. This is the prompt I used. For the image model, I'm going with Nano Banana Pro. I'll select the 16:9 aspect ratio and 2K resolution, then hit Generate. I think I can improve on this image, so I'm going to regenerate without changing the prompt, and here we go. I like this one much better. You can see the raindrops on the window, the reflection, and the lights outside. This is exactly the kind of image that works well for a music scene. Now, let's see whether Dzine can deliver. Let's get our character to sing in this image. Click on Lip Sync on the left. It opens up this workspace. At the top, you'll see Normal and Pro generation modes, followed by Output Quality. Go with Pro mode and 1080p output quality. In the center, you'll choose whether you're creating lip sync from an image or a video. Since I have an image, I'll click Pick a Face Image. I'm dropping my image in to upload it. Dzine has automatically detected my singer's face. If it doesn't detect yours, just click Mark Face manually and highlight the face yourself. Click Next. I'll leave the aspect ratio as original since it's already 16:9, then click Next again. This is the timeline. At the top, you'll see the scene image that will be used to generate the video, and below it is the detected face. Now I need to upload the audio. I'll click Pick a Voice, which gives me the option to use text-to-speech or upload audio. I have my audio clip ready, so I'll click Upload Audio and drop my music file in. You can upload audio of up to 5 minutes when creating lip sync from an image. Once uploaded, it will appear on the timeline and the image will automatically stretch to match the length of the audio. My settings are already in Pro mode and 1080p output quality, so I'll go ahead and click Generate. This takes a few minutes. One thing worth noting, I uploaded a music clip with instruments playing. I also tested it with vocals only, and honestly, I didn't notice any difference in the quality of the lip sync, so you don't need to isolate the vocals. Even with the full track, the timing is on point. Let's watch the clip.
Didn't see you coming. You just sat down by my side.
Not only is the lip sync on point, you can see her breathing as she sings, her head moving slightly to the rhythm. But look at the window. The raindrops are actually falling. You can even see lights moving in the street, like a car passing by. None of that was prompted. Dzine picked up on the context of the image and brought the background to life on its own. So when you use an image, you're not just getting lip sync, you're getting a scene that comes alive. Now, I want to show you how to create lip sync for an existing video. To do that, let's first create the video clip. Click on AI Video in the left tab. You'll see Keyframe selected at the top. Click here to choose your video model. I'm going with Pixverse V5. The first clip I'm creating will be a B-roll for the music video. I'll click on Start Frame and upload my image. Then I'll add my video prompt. Select the duration, I'm going with 8 seconds, and hit Generate. I don't need to change the aspect ratio since my image is already the correct size. That's how all the B-roll clips in this video were made. Now, I'm particularly interested in testing how Dzine handles lip sync from a side view because that's what professional music videos do. Singers appear from multiple angles. Let's find out. I'm uploading a side profile of my character on the balcony as a start frame to generate a video of her singing. I'll add my prompt, leave the settings as they are, and hit Generate. Now I have a clip of my character on the balcony. The real test is next. Can Dzine lip sync it from the side? Click Lip Sync either from the right panel under the generated video or from the left tab. I'm on Pro mode and 1080p output quality. This time, I'll select Upload a Face Video. Dzine has detected my face. If it hadn't, I'd click Mark Face manually. Click Next. The video clip is now on the timeline. I'll click Pick a Voice, select Upload Audio, and drop in the audio clip for this scene. When creating lip sync for a video clip, you can upload audio of up to 30 seconds. Once it's on the timeline, if the video clip is longer than the audio, just trim it, then hit Generate. Let's have a look.
You laughed at all my worries, like you'd heard them all before.
It pulled it off. Perfect lip sync from the side view. Let me know what you think in the comments. The advantage of creating the video first and then applying the lip sync is that you can direct exactly what your character is doing, which puts you fully in control. I want to push this further, so let's try lip syncing my character singing in the rain. I've created the image and generating the video the same way as the previous ones. Now I'm uploading the audio clip and trimming the video to match the audio length, then hitting Generate.
I didn't plan to fall for you. Didn't know my heart could move this fast.
Look at that. She's moving her face around and the lip sync holds up perfectly. One more thing I want to point out. Even though the original video clip had its own lip movement before the lip sync was applied, once Dzine processes it, you can't tell at all. There's no morphing, no blending artifacts. It replaces cleanly. Now, as you know, video clips generated by AI typically run between 5 and 15 seconds. What if you want to hold the same scene longer than the clip itself? Let's tackle that now. I'm placing my character at a beach for this purpose. Let's get the video clip first. I'm keeping the same settings and the same video model. The clip is 8 seconds long. Let's go ahead and lip sync it. You know the drill. Go to lip sync and select Upload a Face Video. Dzine has detected my face. I'm on Pro mode and 1080p output quality. Next, I'll click Pick a Voice, select Upload Audio, and drop in my audio file. This audio is 16 seconds long, and the video is 8 seconds. Watch what happens. The video has stretched to match the audio by looping. When the audio is longer than the video clip, Dzine automatically loops the video. This is the clip you saw at the very beginning. One thing to keep in mind, this works best when the movement in your scene is naturally cyclical. My character is at the beach where the waves move back and forth, and she's swaying gently left and right, so the loop looks natural. It would look strange if she was walking forward because she'd walk backward when it loops. Keep that in mind when you plan your scenes. Almost there, the full video is coming up next. Once your clips are all ready, you can put them together into a full music video, and here's what the final result looks like.
Didn't see you coming. You just sat down by my side, talking like we'd always known every version of my life. You laughed at all my worries, like you'd heard them all before. Pull my heart into the light. I'm not hiding anymore. I didn't plan to fall for you, didn't know my heart could move this fast. But I feel safe in your arms, at last. I never knew that quiet love could wash away the storms I had. But I feel safe in your arms, like that.
If you want more tutorials on AI tools, AI music videos, and everything in between, hit subscribe. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.